Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 3, today I am going to take your BGS class, that means Bangladesh and Global Studies class, and our today's topic is lesson 3 from chapter 4, and we will also do true false, fill in the blanks and broad question answer from this chapter. So let's start our class today. Okay, lesson 3 is about people who serve others, and this is page number 26. All of you can take your BGS book and you can go to page 26. It will be helpful for you. So people who serve others, that means their occupation is serving the people. Okay, at first we will start driver. A driver drives a bus, rickshaw, taxi or truck, etc. He drives people to visit different places. So he drives people to different he drives people to visit different places, and he also delivers goods. So this is his work, and he drives a bus, rickshaw, taxi or truck, etc. Now we will go to doctor and nurse. And now look, there is a picture of the bus, and now look, there is the picture of the doctor and nurse. They are they give treatment to the patient. Now look, doctor and nurse. People go to a doctor when they are sick. So when we become sick, we meet a doctor. Sometimes they get admitted to hospitals. A doctor treats patients. So a doctor treats patients and a doctor prescribes medicines to the patients. A nurse looks after them and gives them medicine and food. So this is the work of the nurse. And what is the work of the nurse? A nurse looks after them, that means they take care of them, take care of the patients and gives them medicine and food. And the nurse assists the doctor. So the nurse also assists the doctor. You can see the nurse helps the doctor. Now we will go to teacher. Teachers teach students in school. So this is the work of the teacher, that means this is their service. The teachers teach students in school. They help the students to learn their lessons, including sports, music, dance and drawing. So the teacher help the students to learn their lessons, and they also help in sports, music, dance and drawing. And now look in this box, look at this box. All the jobs in this chapter have equal importance for our society. So all the jobs have same value, they are same important in our society. So we will respect all the people who are in different professions equally, because all the jobs or all the professions in our society are equal important. Now we will go to next page, page number 27. We will do section B, that means right. How do these different professionals help us? So how do they help us? A driver helps us by how? A driver helps us by driving, right? They help us by driving. They take us to different places. And a doctor helps us by how? They treat patients. So a doctor helps us by, we can write here, giving treatment. Then a nurse helps us by how? A nurse helps us by taking care of the patients. Or we can also write here, a nurse helps us by taking care. A teacher helps us by teaching. So we can write here, teaching. Now we will go to D. Now look, there is the matching. Match the phrases on the left with the words on the right. So we will match left side with the right side. Number A, what is given here? One who makes cooking pots and pitchers from clay. So one who makes cooking pots and pitchers from clay is called what? I know all of you are very smart and all of you were very good students, so you know the answer. One who makes cooking pots and pitchers from clay is called potter. So we will match number A with potter. Now number B, one who gives diets and medicine to patients. So who gives diets, that means foods and medicine to patients? We know that it will be nurse. So we will match it with nurse. Now number C, one who grows crops and vegetables. So one who grows crops and vegetables are called, we know that they are called, or he is called farmers. So we will match it with farmer. Number C matches with farmer. Number D, and the last one who builds houses with bricks and cement, and only one left, so it will be builder. And we know that the person who builds houses with bricks and cement is called builder. So number A, one who makes cooking pots and pitchers from clay, potter. Number B, one who gives diets and medicine to patients, it will be nurse. Number C, one who grows crops and vegetables is called farmer. And number D, one who builds houses with bricks and cement is called builder. Now we will go to true false from this chapter, that means different occupations of society. We have discussed lesson 1, 2 and 3 from this chapter. Now we will do true false, fill in the blanks and broad question answer from this chapter. Now look at the first true false. In Bangladesh, most people live in villages. So what do you think? Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. We know that because most of the people live in the villages in our country. Number 2, those who produce crops are called potters. In the matching we have done that the person who makes cooking pots and pitchers are called potters. So this is not correct. And now look, those who produce crops are called farmers. So it will be false. Now we will go to number 3. A potter uses cloth to make pots and jars. So a potter uses cloth to make pots and jars. So is it true or false? Yes, we know that it is false because a potter uses clay to make pots and jars. So it will be false. Now number 4, the nurse assists doctor. Yes, it is true. We know that the nurse assists the doctor or helps the doctor. So it will be true. So in Bangladesh, most people live in villages, will be true. Number 2, those who produce crops are called potters. It will be false. Number 3, a potter uses cloth to make pots and jars. It will be false. Number 4, the nurse assists the doctor. It will be true. Now we will go to fill in the blanks. In Bangladesh, most people live in, what will be the answer? Most people live in villages. Now number 2, those who produce crops are called, we have done it in our matching and true false. We know that those who produce crops are called farmers. So it will be farmers. Now number 3, a potter uses dash to make pots and jars. A potter uses what? A potter uses clay to make pots and jars. Now we will go to number 4. Teachers teach students in where they teach. Teachers teach students in school. So we will write here school. So number 1, in Bangladesh, most people live in villages. Number 2, those who produce crops are called farmers. Number 3, a potter uses clay to make pots and jars. Number 4, teachers teach students in school. Now we will go to broad questions, and there are 2 broad questions from this chapter. Number 1 is, the question number 1 is, how do people earn money from the things they make? Now let's read. A farmer plays a very important role in our society. So here we give the example of farmer. You can give another example, that means the person who make things and how do they earn money. He produces various things on which we depend. He grows paddy in his field. He sells this paddy in the market. By selling paddy, he earns money. In this way, a farmer earns money by producing different crops. So you can give example of the other profession, or you can write, you will show how do they earn money, or you can follow this answer. Okay, let's read. A farmer plays a very important role in our society. He produces various things on which we depend. He grows paddy in his field. He sells this paddy in the market. By selling paddy, he earns money. In this way, a farmer earns money by producing different crops. Now we will go to number 2. How do doctors and nurses help people? So how do doctors and nurses help people? We will know the answer. And our answer is, a doctor and a nurse help us in many ways. Now we will start with doctor. So doctor, a doctor treats us. A doctor treats us when we are ill. Besides, he helps to diagnose disease. That means he helps us to find out the disease. So so a doctor treats us when we are ill. Besides, he helps to diagnose disease. Now nurse. A nurse looks after the patients, gives them medicine and food. The nurse assists the doctor. So let's read the answer again. A doctor and a nurse help us in many ways. Doctor. A doctor treats us when we are ill. Besides, he helps to diagnose disease. Nurse. A nurse looks after the patients, gives them medicine and food. The nurse assists the doctor. So this is the answer of number 2. So dear students, there is a homework for you. This is homework number 10, and you will do broad question number 1 as your homework. So what is the question? How do people earn money from the things they make? So this is your homework. I repeat, how do people earn money from the things they make? This is your homework, and this is homework number 10. So all of you will do your homework regularly. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. All of you will do your homework regularly and submit it on every Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm in our school library. So dear students, all of you will listen to your parents and you will stay safe. See you again. Allah Hafiz.